It's the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, September 17th. I'm James Spann. Got a few illegal showers on radar today. Hey, what's going on here? So check it out. We're live at 2:45. And longtime viewers know that whenever we say illegal showers, that means showers that were not forecast. We figured the showers today would be confined to the southern half of the state. However, there's a little convergence zone moving southward through the northern part of Alabama. You can see a few spotty showers over Walker, Blount, St. Clair, Calhoun, and Talladega counties, Clay County. And again, they're dropping to the south. And obviously, it's not much, but they're not supposed to be there, which is a sign that sometimes we don't get it right. The more meaningful showers, as expected, are down here across the southwestern counties of the state and parts of the Florida Panhandle. That's the view this afternoon. You can see showers down in parts of Escambia County, Alabama, and Florida, Mobile and Baldwin counties, Alabama, Washington, Clark, Monroe counties, Conecuh, and those are gradually drifting off to the east. So, again, the showers we have in progress should fade this evening. Let's look at the big picture. Big picture, and we've got the ghost of PTC number 8, the former potential tropical cyclone 8 that's near Asheville, North Carolina, to the east. And then off to the west, got a big trough over the western third of the country. There's the visible satellite view, and the sky is totally sunny across the Tennessee Valley. And again, that little convergence zone just north of Birmingham with a few buildups there, a few isolated showers, then a few spotty showers down to the south. But generally speaking, the sky partly to mostly sunny across the state. And there's a look at the radar composite. And again, you can see those really small showers over North Alabama, a few showers over South Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. Mostly 80s on the board, which is what we expect in mid-September. Birmingham at 86. Also Huntsville, Montgomery, Dothan at 86. Mobile, 84. We'll see heat levels creeping up. We'll be pretty close to 90 by the time we get to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Here's the watch warning map around the nation today. We note a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Colorado, New Mexico, in advance of that trough. Still a flash flood watch for parts of southeastern Virginia around the Tidewater. But in advance of the trough, we've got a risk of severe storms from the Texas Panhandle and northern New Mexico north to the Canadian border, including an enhanced risk where Colorado, Wyoming, Kansas, Nebraska all come together. Tomorrow, got a little skinny marginal risk in advance of the trough from near Lubbock up to parts of North Dakota and Minnesota. And on day 3, which is Thursday, got a risk of severe storms over parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and some of the adjacent states. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. And again, for most of the state, just not much. In fact, basically nothing for about the northern three-quarters of the state, if you take out the little isolated illegal showers we have today. And again, a few spotty showers for the Gulf Coast this evening and then again tomorrow. But even there, sure looks like the end of the week and the weekend will be dry. So in the tropics, Gordon is fizzled out. We had the one system on the board, Tropical Depression Gordon, and it's basically become a remnant low. That's that X you see on the map there. That's the ghost of Gordon. And the Hurricane Center giving it a 40% chance of redeveloping over the next 7 days as it drifts north out in the middle of absolute nowhere. And again, things are calm across the Gulf, the rest of the Atlantic Basin, so no named systems. Here it is, September 17th, and that's remarkable. But again, we're seeing signals in about 8, 9, 10 days that there might be some mischief in the Gulf. We'll take a look at modeling. Model fans, the GFS, the 12Z run, this is valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got the ghost of PTC 8 off to the east, the big trough back in the west, ridging in between. And again, most of the state dry, maybe a few isolated showers over extreme South Alabama and near the Gulf Coast. Even there, probably not much rain. High should be in the 80s in most spots. Thursday, we're dry, mid to upper 80s. Friday, sunny, upper 80s. And as the weekend begins, looks rain-free, lots of sunshine, highs up there close to 90. We all know we can see 90s in September. That's nothing new here. And the same thing on Sunday, a dry day, highs 87 to 90 in most spots. Monday of next week, still looking dry. And a week from today, Tuesday, September 24th, got a trough north of the state and we're now seeing evidence in the GFS of a front pushing in here with maybe enough moisture for a few showers. But let me caution you, that's the first time we've seen that. We're still going to go with a dry forecast for much of next week. But if we see the trends continuing, we might insert the chance of a few isolated showers Tuesday of next week. But again, nothing really widespread probably. So let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, September 27th, Friday of next week. Troughing up north, and yeah, we see that little tropical feature that's near, Lake City, Florida, along Interstate 10. And again, longtime viewers here know that the GFS is famous for putting down bogus tropical systems 10 days out that never, ever form. And you don't look at deterministic model output. You don't, yet this is what everybody shares. Let's look at the European just for the fun of it. Same time, 10 days out. Now, again, it's got a tropical low, but it's weak, and it's just southwest of Tampa Bay, over 1,000 millibars. So, again, you got the GFS doing this, and you got the European doing this. But what they're doing, there's just a signal that something could be there, and that's certainly, we expect things like that in late September, in October, especially these backyard-type systems. So it's just something to watch for now. So just try to stay away from all the fear porn and all this, and it's just something to watch, and we will do that with great intensity. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean coming up a little bit now, between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 2nd of October. Temperatures up there around 90, close to 90 by Friday and Saturday. Then back in the low to mid-80s for much of next week. Lows across the board mostly in the 60s. And once again, let's go see if we can get the latest product here, the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This product comes out right about the time we do these videos every afternoon, and it's in, and let's drop it in, and you saw the change there. This is the new one just in. We're September 25th through October 1st. Temperatures, again, a little above average, if this works out. So what do we do now? You know what we do. We got to roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam video. What a crowd. I like it. Big house at Leeton Elementary School. And let me tell you what, this cake is amazing. Wow. Goodness, the cake game has been unbelievably good this year. That's remarkable. But that's an amazing cake and some amazing students in there. They were great listeners, great learners. They were excited to learn about science. I like it a lot. We talked about different types of weather instruments, satellite, radar, did some storm spotting, talked about how to stay safe, winter storms. Great session today. So again, all those amazing students and the teachers, the administrative team at Leeton Elementary School in Colbert County. Thanks a lot for a great visit. You know you guys are looking good. All right, so back to the radar. We're live at 2:53. And again, there's a look at the showers over southwest Alabama, gradually drifting to the east. And let's go back and look at these illegal showers here that are not supposed to be there. A little convergence zone over North Alabama, and the showers are dropping to the south. And you can see there's not many of them, but hey, some of you are getting a few drops there. Raining along Interstate 20, out there toward the Talladega Superspeedway in Lincoln, the Honda plant. Got a couple of showers in Blount, Walker, Winston, Fayette, Calhoun, Clay, Randolph counties dropping to the south, but these will not last long. And again, things look pretty calm after today and dry for a while. So had Leeton Elementary School today. Tomorrow going to be in Gadsden, Donahue Elementary. Thursday, Blount County, Hayden Elementary School. Friday, Tuscaloosa County, Lakeview Elementary School. And hey, we've got a book signing coming up on Saturday. Very excited about this one. We're going to be in Guntersville at Moody Brews. What a great name. On Gunter Avenue. We're going to be there between 10:30 and 1:30 on Saturday. And if you've never been to one of these, we have all these great weather shirts and, of course, the weather books for kids, the Benny and Chipper series, The Wonder of Thunder, Prepared Not Scared. All you can do is pray. That's the book about April 27, 2011. Weathering Life, My Story. We take a lot of pictures. We have a lot of fun, and we would love to see you there. So Marshall County, anybody up in the Tennessee Valley, Moody Brews in Guntersville, 10:30 to 1:30 on Saturday. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.